is just gonna be like a little car vlog. I don't really have a specific topic to talk about today, but yesterday I had these really good chocolate strawberry pancakes with chocolate ganache syrup, and they were so good, and I'm so glad I ate them because I was having such like a sweet tooth. I just had to get it out of my system kind of thing. And ever since I ate them, I just feel like utter crap. And you know, I've been like having issues with like bloating and everything for a really long time, but I never really had like this much pain coming from it. I'm starting to get like crampy and things like that. Being bloated is one of like the most annoying things in the world. I feel like I get super bloated right before my period as well, so I'm like constantly bloated no matter what. Dairy products bloat me, bread bloats me. I have to eat like 100% clean to not get bloated, and it sucks because you can't eat like 100% clean constantly all day long, right? So, you know, I've just been, you know, trying to deal with it. Like, I've even suffered from like constipation, I think, because of it as well. So like laxatives work for like the time being, but like that's it. I've tried all the over-the-counter stuff. I think my main problem is like drinking water. I need to start drinking more water, and I know that's part of the problem because I've started to like incorporate more water into my diet at times, and it's helped a lot. So that's one thing that is like really bothering me today is my stomach. It's just killing me. But I just wanted to hop on here quick and talk about some video ideas. I'm trying to figure out what I could do as far as like makeup tutorials. I don't know if you guys want to see the look that I'm wearing right now. It's pretty much all, it's pretty much all drugstore except one product. Like literally, it actually is. If you're looking at my skin, this is all drugstore except for my powder contour. The powder contour is the only thing that is not drugstore. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, but everything else is drugstore. Actually, most of it is Maybelline. Oh, and the eyeshadow too is high-end, I guess you could say, because I just used the contour shade that I use on my face, on my eyelids. So, yeah. But I could do that tonight as well, because I'm definitely thinking about filming something. I have the time, so I'm gonna do that. As you can see, my hair is disgusting right now. All I have in it is really coconut oil and like the, it's a 10 keratin treatment. Today I was running a little late, so hair came second to the makeup being done. Sometimes I have to process in my head like what's more worth it, either doing my makeup really nice or doing my hair nice, and 9 times out of 10 the hair takes the fall on that one, and I wind up doing my makeup instead, but that's okay. I feel like you could always just put your hair up, especially if you're a girl. You can always just put your hair up whenever you want, so it's not like that big of a deal. But anyway, video ideas. I wanted to do some makeup tutorials. I do have a video in mind on a few makeup products. It's one of the Maybelline mascaras versus the YSL mascara. I have both, and I've been testing them both because I like them both, and I have quite a bit of a review to go over with that about which one is better and which one you can live without. So I wanted to do one of those types of videos. As you guys know, Gonzalo got me the Storybook Cosmetic palette. So I'm really trying to do a tutorial with that. I kind of want to do 2 looks with that. If you guys have any suggestions or things you want to see, definitely let me know, because I will try to do them. I'm going to try to do a colorful look, and then I'm going to try to do a just like a more natural look. But yeah, that's the goal for tonight. I'm gonna try to also film some workouts as well. I want to try to film like a squat video, like an at-home workout video again. Those are pretty easy to do, and they're really beneficial to you guys, so especially if you can't get to a gym like me. Yeah, those videos are really helpful, so I'm going to try to do that as well. I also got a while ago, but I can't use it yet because it's not good until July. It's a planner, so I'm probably going to do like a planner video as well. I want to show you guys that. I did use in the past the Erin Condren planners, but it just kind of fell through. I didn't really like get into it, but now that I'm back doing videos, I feel like it would be really beneficial to me to plan out my videos. That way I'm not like constantly just stuck in a writer's block all week trying to come up with videos. I can really just sit down and start to think about what I want to record and what I want to post and all that type of stuff. So yeah, I'll probably show you guys that as well, because I did get stickers with it too. So we'll go through all of that. This video will probably go up first, obviously, before those videos. But I just wanted to do like a little car vlog today. Nothing crazy, nothing too serious. Just me rambling on my way to work. Sometimes I feel like rambling on your way to work is what I listen to. I usually just put on like my favorite YouTubers who talk a lot. That sounds bad. But who talk a lot, and I just put them and connect them to my car so I can listen to it on my way to work. Just because it makes it more interesting. So I find that interesting. So that's what I'm going to do here on YouTube for a while as well, while still incorporating my workouts and my makeup passion. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little car vlog. I'm almost at work. Thank God it's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. I get the entire weekend with Gonzalo this weekend. He's finally off with me. It's so amazing. I can't wait to sleep in because I'm super exhausted. And I would go home and take a nap today because he's at work, but I want to get these videos done and edited and uploaded. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to save the sleep for the weekend. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.